Alright, man, what up, fam? It's your boy Big Q from Platinum Style Media, and I'm back. Man, I got a box in today from Adorama, and I already know what it is. This is my new mixer, man, and we're getting ready to put this old buddy right here out to pasture. I think this one right here was one of the old Euro rack models. It was the, I don't know if you can see that, it's the Xenyx 1222FX Pro Euro Rack Edition, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so it's the Euro Rack Edition. And I love that one, man, because it has some really cool features, but no USB on this one. So, this one here, I'm trying to remember which one I ordered. I think it was the 16, oh gosh, the 16 such, well, we'll find out when I open it. So we get ready to open it up, and we'll unbox it real quick. And let's see what's in here, man. Let's get busy. Alright, I'm gonna try to do this with one hand and try to record it while I'm trying to cut the box. This might not turn out well. So let's see here. Got one side off. That was successful. Alright. Now let's move on over here. Real quick. Oh, I'm stepping on something. Alright, let's see here. Trying to get under here while I'm holding the phone. I had to pull out the tripod. There we go. Alright, so we got that part done. Alright, so let's see here. It's weird because I'm looking in the phone while I'm trying to do this instead of looking at what I'm doing. Okay, alright, so let's do it. There we go. Alright, here we go. Got the box up in front of the desk, now I'm sitting in the chair. We got here it is, this is the box in front of the box. This is the Xenyx 1622USB Premium 16 input 2x2 bus mixer with Xenyx mic preamps and compressors, British EQs, oops, excuse me, 24-bit multi-FX processor, and most important, the USB audio interface. There it is, 16 input to a 2 bus. Love it. 4 state-of-the-art fan-powered Xenyx mic preamps. So it's got the preamps on it and the compression knob, which I didn't have on my first one. Alright, and this is just some tech spec stuff. This right here is just the back of the box. It actually shows the back jacks, which are very important to me too. So now I can actually hook these up to my studio monitors instead of having them running right from the computer. So we'll be able to do that. There's the effects, the British EQs, you know, club LEDs, the stereo RCA I/O jacks for tape CD, MP3 player connection, or your phone, which I'm going to use it for. And we hear you. That's what it says on the back. We hear you. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing open, and get it out of the box. And let's see, go right on this side here. Get it out of the box, and I'm probably gonna put the phone on the tripod. Probably gonna need to, yeah, because I'm gonna have to pull it out of here. So let me get the phone on the tripod real quick. All right. So let's go ahead and try to get this stuff out of there real quick. Okay, so we got this looks like a USB cable and the power cable. So USB cable and power cable. This right here is going to be for if you want to rack mount the unit, right? Alright, let's go here. We also got a bit of stuff from that also now. Okay, so cool. They will show me some more of the different mixes that they have, stuff like this in case I'm into it. And finally, the creme de la creme. We actually got the unit here. So I'm going to pop it open real quick, take a look at it. Got my knife here. Set that open like that. jam package. I had to sell it for jam package and keep everything nice and sucks up the moisture. So. But man, this is it. Looks great. The only thing that looked a little bit different than I expected was the EQ area right here. I expected it to be blue because if you look on the box, turn it real quick. Look on the box. The EQ setup is actually blue. I don't know if you can see it. So it's blue. So I was looking forward to it because I got the red on the other one. Looking forward to the blue, but that looks a little bit weird. Other than that, though, the solo clip and main buttons that I kind of wanted so bad, actually got them there. The cell boots here. The faders feel really, really good. All that stuff there, so it looks good. It looks good. So looks great. 1622. Got the compressors up here. Let's take a look at the back of it real quick before we get out of here. So, there's the USB port right there. I found power, lots of regular power, is what it's right here. Main outlet, XLR. Sub outputs right here. Quarter inch TRS, control room, main outlet. I'm going to run these into my wires here. TRS, and these right here are channel inserts right here. So, this right here is good. This is what we needed. Go ahead and retire 1222 and replace it with this guy. The next time you see it, we'll be all hooked up and ready to go. You know what I'm saying? So this should really be cute, man. And glad I was able to bring you this unboxing. I think I'm gonna like this mixer. I hope so, because you know, that's just that I got a lot of use out of the whole one. It's just you know, not having a USB became a little bit of a problem. So I also have a couple gram loop noise isolators coming from Amazon. Separate, and I also got my cable hookups that I'm going to run from my streaming PC into here, and then on my PC, and I'm going to hook up from my phone so I can do telephone calls as well on the podcast. So that's going to be my unboxing of the Berhinger 1622 USB Xenyx FX module. So like I said, next time you see it, I'll be writing it on the podcast. So next time, man, y'all like and subscribe. Holla at your boy.